We have Mr. Justin here. Justin, you are charged with a DUI with either drugs or alcohol, resisting arrest, and driving with an expired driver's license, Mr. Bieber. Sir, how do you plead?
I don't give a fuck. All you goddamn Jamaicans are the fucking same.
I know me I talk to like that. Couldn't be me I talk to like that.
No, I was talking about your mom. The hell you think I was talking about,
What
you
the
dumbass?
rascal my mother have to do with anything? That's a problem, you know. You need two rascals licking your life. Maybe you need a mother. Maybe you need a Jamaican mother. Maybe you need to go to Jamaica, forget your blood clot and rear out. Rude little boy, man.
I'm entitled to a fair trial, you jackass. You just can't lock me up like you did Vibes Cartel.
What does Vibes Cartel have to do with this? Maybe if you are raised by him and not Usher, you'd have turned out
Good
differently.
afternoon, Your Honor. Appearing on behalf of Mr. Bieber, I've been retained by his manager, and my partner has attempted to talk to Mr.
you
Bieber
represent this
at
jackass
the
here.
TGK, but they would
And
not
you're
allow
proud
him
to say
in.
that. You represent this jackass here.
That's right. I got a
Is what I said?
badass lawyer, punk.
You're bright, you know. Look here, Mr. Bieber. I am going to, as a matter of fact, I was actually going to be lenient on you. But since you have been so much of a bastard to humanity, and I don't think it's a driving, I think it's that song, Baby, 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 playing all the goddamn time.
Bet your mother likes my music.
Talk about my mother again. Me said talk about my blood clot mother again. See if me not deal with you the way parents supposed to deal with a little picnic. Bumbo clot. You know, Mr. Bieber, forget it. You're gonna get deported back to Canada. And as a matter of fact, we know some people in the airport will make sure so that flight I go get diverted to Jamaica. And Mr. Bieber, might I remind you that driving a Ferrari at top speed in a residential area is not normal. That's something for the insane asylum, which, by the way, I'm going to send you to Bellevue right now, and you're going to be hearing baby, baby, baby all the goddamn time for the rest of your fucking life is going to be repeating over and over again. Baby, 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 ooh, 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 ooh. Throw the book at you. Pussy will get out my fucking courtroom now. You know me. Go write a song about it. Not time for this fucking idiot right now.
My name is Judge
Next person.
Uric Acid. I am a no-nonsense judge. I melt all iron. And when I talk, no doggone dog bark. Cause I'm vexed and double vexed too. Talk of court.
Yes, Sir Bryce?
Get me Judge Red.